What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we got a Tomei Catback exhaust for the R32 Skyline. This is the GTST Type M, and under the car already, I already have a Tomei test pipe. So there's the Tomei test pipe right there. Just got to remove that other one, and it should just be, plug it in, should be good to go. So this thing should sound super good. Like I said, it's got the Tomei test pipe, so it is decatted. And I got a full Tomei Catback exhaust. So this thing should sound absolutely crazy. So let's get into it. Let's start unboxing it and let's start getting this thing installed.
So why would you want more? You know it's gonna hurt, so why would you want?
All right, so we got the whole thing unboxed. Gonna take a look at some things here. We got, of course, the stickers. We love it. And there's also a Tomei badge in there. I'll probably be installing that as well. You got a little license plate frame. We got in this box the silencer, the hangers, the springs and whatnot, and the new hardware. So that's perfect. And then also we got the full exhaust here, obviously. We got our pipes, and we got that beautiful tip. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Let's get to installing this bad boy. So this is a little comparison. This is the old one, dual exhaust. Not a huge fan of the dual exhaust. Pretty dirty and grimy. And then we switched the titanium Tomei. Awesome.
A million pieces of debris. We're a plane crash, lost into the open seas. Yeah, we swim on through the heavy swell. We fall listening to hopeless depths. Where every night another.
Okay, so I basically just skipped out on the entire install of the Tomei, but I am going to run through what I did just so if you guys do have a Tomei and you have a GTST or a GTR. Last thing we got to do is put on these spring retainers. These are going to suck. These go over the spring, over the slip connections. So I will get my camera down there and also show you guys what I did for installing the exhaust. So if you guys need to install it, I'll show you guys right now. So basically I took this part of the exhaust off. It is a 14 millimeter on both sides. So make sure there's two of them on each side, obviously. And there's another pipe that goes in the back here that's also two 14s. Just to let you guys know there are hangers as well to take it off, obviously. Okay, so obviously I had the Tomei test pipe in here. So that is this guy right here that's pretty blue. Holy moly, that thing is pretty. But basically I just unbolted it here. And then I put on this pipe here. And then also, let me slide down all the way over there and I'll show you guys what I did. So this is where the slip connection is, right in the middle. I'll try and move my finger. There's slip connection right there. It moves onto this pipe here. Basically just slips on. You'll just have to tighten that one bolt that's right there. That is a 13, by the way. And there's a hanger right here, easy to slip onto. And then this one right here, there is like a little piece that slips onto this guy. There's a little rubber thing that comes with it. And basically what you want to do is get it up lined even perfectly as best you can. And then just slip that on. There's also another slip connection right here from the muffler to this other pipe. It just slips on. And these springs go basically right here where these notches are. These two notches, I have to get those right there. That's gonna be kind of a pain in the butt, but I'll get those on. There's also two hangers right here for where this guy meets up. All right, so on top of this guy that holds the muffler, there is a little bolt and a nut that comes with it. You just thread that in. It is a 12 and a 13 millimeter. And this is the fitment at the end, guys. Holy crap. I got it all lined up perfect. And yeah, she doesn't stick out too far at all. Looks, oh my gosh, extremely clean. I'm going to clean it up too before I get driving it. So, all right, I'm going to put these spring clips on, spring retainers that go on the slip connection, and we should be good to go. All right, let's get to it. All right, everybody, I'm ready to start up the car. This thing is gonna sound crazy. All right, you guys ready for some RB sounds? I'm gonna do a little cold start. This will be the first time of me hearing it. And then I'll probably clean it up a little bit, clean the tip up. And then I'll definitely go for a drive and make sure, oh my gosh, everything's good. No leaks or anything. I'm so excited. Let's get to it. Oh my gosh. That cold start sounded really good. Okay, now I'm gonna move the Z out of the way so we can take this thing for a drive and hear those beautiful RB sounds with this Tomei Catback exhaust with the Tomei test pipe. All right, let's get to it.
We're running out of time. I really thought you were on my side, but now there's nobody by my side. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right.
Okay, so before we get into the Tomei review, I want to quickly go over my 2013 Nissan 370Z. It has 35,000 miles on it. It is a 6-speed manual. I daily drive this car. Put a short throw shifter in, and then I put the Nismo shift knob on. And I also got a genuine V1 Nissan Nismo wing, and I went ahead and put it on this guy. Really awesome car. I love the metallic gray that this thing has. This thing is really nice just to have daily, because I have a 6-speed manual I can drive during the day. And then I have this. Is my 1992 Nissan GTST Type M, Nissan Skyline. And it is an automatic, but a fun fact, they actually did make less automatics than they did the manuals. In this color, it has the RB20 DET, so it is turboed. And with this metallic silver, they made 507 of these, this kind with the automatics, and they made 2,500 of the manuals. So having an automatic, you know, it does kind of suck with a Skyline having an automatic. But in my case, it's actually perfect because I have my 370Z that I drive every day. And this is nice. This is literally perfect on the weekends to rip around and not have to worry about shifting. You know, I'm in America, so I'm already on the right side of the car. So I'm already on the wrong side. And I think manual would just kind of be an overload. But obviously, you know, a manual would be really cool maybe in the future. I have a 5-speed for it, but I probably won't swap this car. This car has 63,000 miles on it, and it's super clean, super nice. So I don't really want to do anything too crazy to this thing, but it's perfect on the weekends because I can just kind of cruise and not have to worry about shifting. Holy crap! This thing sounds super good with the Tomei Catback. I'm not disappointed at all. Thank you, MA Performance, for shipping out this Tomei Catback exhaust pretty quick. I got it within like a few days. It was freaking awesome. So thank you guys at MA Performance. So yeah, this is how to install a Tomei Catback exhaust on a GTST or a GTR. They are the same, like I said. Also, I do have the test pipe, a Tomei test pipe, so I do not have a Cat. So you guys are looking, I would highly suggest you guys get a Tomei test pipe with the Tomei Catback. It pops pretty loud and it sounds just really good. You get some pure RB sounds. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys have any other ideas you guys want me to do in the future. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.